Want to know how to sign in to Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your web browser and you should be under this interface right here. And now, in order to open up Microsoft 365, you can just simply search it on the source bar. And here you should be saying on the office.com, you can just simply select that. So here you should be saying sign in, you can just simply select that. And now here you can just simply sign in using your Microsoft account. So you can just simply type in your email. So once you have verified, you can just simply sign into it and you should be automatically signed in just like this right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you sign into Microsoft 365. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of this similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.